got their pockets loaded, playing games behind the scenes, whispering to their factories, feeding secret machines. They tilt the board with hidden hands while we're forced to lose. Our honest sweat and spirit drowned by their clever ruse. They talk of open gates, a world that trades so free, but behind those polished smiles lurks dark hypocrisy. The currency they juggle, each subtle crooked move, leaves honest folks in struggle while their fortunes smoothly groove. They're counting on our silence as the markets twist and turn. Our voices small and distant while their factories fiercely churn. No fair shot, no equal stage, it's rigged against the rest. They strike the deals, we pay the price, our hopes put to the test. Their coffers full with subsidies, the playing field's askew. We're left to chase a dream so faint it never does come true. We hold our broken contracts, we sing our weary song, while they expand their empire, convinced they can't go wrong. But voices rise from distant shores, united by our pain. We'll call them out in daylight, no more shadows to explain. With truth as our companion, we'll break these crooked lines, demand a world of fairness where each ambition shines. They're counting on our silence as the markets twist and turn, but we'll shout louder, clear at the blazing truth now burn. Fairness in the sunlight, no more secrets in the night. We'll stand as one together, refusing to lose this fight.